What's good? What's good? We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're up at point 0.0155. 0.0158. We're down 1.4 on the day. See market 391 million, 25 on 109 million. Let's hop into the chart. So, a couple of scenarios: pushing up in a wave one, pulling up in a wave two, looking to push up in our wave three. So potentially you could be looking at 1, 2. And if we break that bullish confirmation, then we can push up in the micro 3. If we fail to do so, and we roll over and we create a lower low, then this is what I would look at. Boom, that's your 3 right there. That's your wave 4 pullback. That was your wave 5. Let me just remove this quickly. To complete your wave 1, and then you would ABC. So you came down a wave A. Oh, you came down in a wave A, that's a wave B, and you would come down in a wave C. If that does happen, it could offer an opportunity on that pullback. Those are the two scenarios I'm looking at. If we break the bullish confirmation, then that gives more confluence of pushing straight up in the wave 3. But if we fail to do so, we roll over, we lose this low, then I would look at this as completing the wave 1, and then you'd pull back in a deeper wave 2, and that could offer a long trade opportunity. If we look at the daily chart, it's looking pretty good on the daily. We're above the 20 EMA. We've broken out of this massive falling wedge pattern finally. So we get back above the 55 EMA. That would also be a strong signal. The money flows come all the way back up to the top section. RSI is heading towards overbought. Not quite there. We still got a ways to go on the RSI. So I do think that if we end up pulling back, that would give it an awesome long trade opportunity on that pullback. But there is a potential, if we break that bullish confirmation, to shoot up in a 3, 4, 5 to take us up to our wave 3 target, which is here in red at 0.01866. All right, gang, currently we're in trades for Matic, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. My signals are $10 a month. You really can't beat it. I just gave a trade signal today. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. If you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200 completely for free. My subscribers only. $10 a month for my signals, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're trading crypto, we're trading Forex for $10 per month. You spend $10 every single day. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.